Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can easily use DocuSign. This tutorial is going to be very quick and basic to help you understand how DocuSign works. DocuSign is one of the powerful tools that enables you to sign, send, and manage your documents electronically. So let's see how. First, you need to create your account from here. However, I'm going to just log into my account. It requires my email. Next, then password, login, almost there. And here we are. So basically, this is how your DocuSign looks like. Here on the top, you can find many tabs that can help you do your function on DocuSign. We will navigate one by one. So first of all, you have your home. Here you can find your signature. You can also find your activities. You can upload a document so that it will be signed electronically. So if you want to upload a document here, first of all, you need to have an electronic signature. This can be done by navigating to your own profile here, pressing on Manage Profile. Then go to Signatures, add Signature here, and you have three options. The first one is to choose among the preset signatures which are provided by DocuSign here. You can also draw your own signature here, for example, or you can upload your own signature from your own device. So I would rather choose a signature which is preset, and I think this one is pretty good. So let's choose it and press on Create. Here it will ask you to replace your own signature because you cannot have more than one. So I will just replace it, and voila. Now let's return back to our home page here. So let's upload our first document by pressing on Start. Now let's press on Upload. Here you can upload it from your own desktop. You can use a template. You can upload it from Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, and more. So let's go to our desktop and upload our documents here. Once it's done, you can add recipients. You can add recipients here, or you can just say that you are the only signer, so it will close the below window. If you are not the only signer, you can add all the people who are required to sign this document. So you can add a name here and an email. If you have contacts, you can access on them by pressing on this sign and search for them. Then you can choose them and go ahead. This person may not just need to sign. There are many options here. This person might be required to sign, might be required to sign in person, or just to receive a copy, or just to view the document. So you decide his role as a recipient. Here you can also customize your own document by adding access code or adding private message to the person you placed in the recipients. Next, you can also add a message here. We can add the message, the email subject here and the email message. So you can edit both of them. And once you are done, you can press on Next here. Here, your document will be opened and you can edit on it. So basically, you have here multiple fields on the left menu that you can add to your document. So if your document obviously needs to be signed, you can just go to the end of your document, and if it does not contain this part, which contains signatures, you can add signature from here by dragging and drop it like that, and bingo. Once you add this field, you can access on changing its properties from the right menu here. You can make it required or not. You can edit the formatting, you can edit the data label, you can edit tooltip, or you can even add the location. So basically, the idea from editing your documents here is on the left, you can add fields, and on the right, you can edit those fields. So once you are done and once you are satisfied, once you added all the fields you required, here you can find plenty of them. So once you are done, you can press on send. And voila, you have sent your own document. If you made any mistake and you need to correct this document, don't worry, it's not over yet. You can just go to manage here, and here you will find an interface which exactly looks like any email provider like Gmail, like Yahoo, and the other platforms. So you can go to send here, and you will find the document that you have sent. So you can go to it, you can press on this drop-down menu, and you can access many options here like moving it, copying it, and more. So let's press on correct here, and it will make you enter the same previous cycle. So you can add more documents, you can add recipients, you can add a message, and once you are done, you can press on next, and here you can add any other thing on your document that you forgot or edit anything that was wrong. So once you are done, you can press on correct. However, I would prefer to just go to actions and press on preview so that you can see your document as if you are a user, so that you will know if there is any mistake before sending it. So if you pressed, or if the person who received the mail pressed on sign here, he will sign on the document. Here you will find his signature. However, since this is only a preview version, there is no signature here. However, when Sarah, which is in the recipient list, press on this button, her signature will be here. So once you are done, just press on the X sign and press on correct, and bingo, you have corrected your own document. So once you are done, if you would like to create a template and you like this form and you think that you are going to use it often, so you can just go to the drop-down menu here and you can press on Save as Template. Once you do this, it will ask you about the name of the template. So let's say it's tutorial, for example. You can also write a description. It's optional. You can leave it blank, and you can add in your recipients. Then once you are done, just press on Save and Close. And here we are. So by going to templates here, you will find your template existing here. You can use it whenever you want, and it will be available for you. Next is the report section, which shows you the insights of your activity on DocuSign. Since we did not make any activity on this account, you will find it's empty. However, if you are active on DocuSign, you will find your insights here. And you can also access more report types like envelope, like recipients, and more. Finally, in settings, you can control your own settings, which are related to your profile, for example, and your signature and more. So once it loads, you will find many sections on the left menu. Almost there. And here we are. So you have account settings, you have signing and sending settings, and you have integration settings and agreement actions. So you can control all these settings from here. For example, your account profile, you can control it, you can edit on it, you can do whatever you want. And finally, here you can find many tutorials and many guides and materials that can help you to find the solution of any problem you encounter. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you like this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.